Hello everybody and welcome back to Rebellious Menstruation. This is an unboxing of, it's called Earth's Tribe, and I'm going to link the website down below. It is an Australian company. There is also, I discovered a website called Earth Tribes, but this is Earth's Tribe, so that was fun. So it is an Australian website, which is a bonus at the moment during these current times. As you guys may or may not be aware, I'm not ordering anything from overseas at the moment due to the current crisis that is happening. Okay, newspaper, excellent. Okay, here's one box. Okay, I'll move you up so you guys can have a look at this. Oh, wallpaper. Okay, so it is a crochet scrub. So it is a bath poof from Mika's Craft, and that is the Etsy shop. Okay, it is also makeup rounds by Earth's Tribe. It is hemp and organic, and that is how you look after them. Okay, this is lemon myrtle soap by the hazelnut tree. It is olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, lemon myrtle essential oil, and that is hazelnuttree.net, and it is palm oil free and vegan friendly. It's what we always like to see. Cocoa mint lip balm by Be Better Balm. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It smells quite yummy. It literally actually smells like cocoa mint. So that's what that looks like, if it's going to focus for us. There we go. Now we've got this is Geo Organics maybe? Mouthwash tablets. So these are Wild Thyme mouthwash tablets in Wild Thyme, and these are natural mouthwash tablets, helps maintain good oral health and a fresh breath flavoured with natural thyme. These eco-friendly tablets that you add water are ideal for everyday use and travel. Dissolve one tablet in 20 ml of water, gargle and spit out after 20 seconds. This is an English manufacturer of natural and zero waste oral care products that are committed to high quality ingredients. Find out at georganics.com for more information. They are free from fluoride, glycerin and SLS. They are zero waste, vegan, organic formula, cruelty free, recyclable packaging and gluten free. The ingredients are here on the outside, which are sodium bicarbonate, tartaric acid, sodium benzoate, natural colorings, menthol, thymol, wild thyme flavoring, food grade organic, and it's 2 fluid ounces. And we'll open this to show you. And it's in this cute little bottle, and then this container is recyclable. Okay, this is a soap saver. So you put obviously your soap in it and use it to wash, and you can draw it in here. So there we go, that is a crocheted, I guess, soap saver. This is facial balm by Herbal Blend, a herbal blend to ultra hydrate your face by Be Better Balms. It is sweet almond oil infused with parsley, shea butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, candelia wax, vitamin E, essential oils, frankincense, rose otto, in jojoba and rosemary, from seed to skin, and is manufactured in Mornington Peninsula. So it's apply a small amount to face and neck. And that is what it looks like, and it smells interesting. And last but not least, this is, in this box at least, this is peppermint tooth soap, used before 1st of the 4th, 2004. So peppermint tooth soap, which is palm oil free. It is handcrafted vegan. It is basically, it says wet toothbrush, rub onto soap until a small lather appears on brush teeth, then rinse. Don't forget to floss your teeth, and if irritation occurs, please discontinue use. Handcrafted with olive, coconut, hemp seed, cocoa butter oils, Victorian artisan salt, essential oils, which is peppermint and activated coconut carbon. It is made by Earthly Organics in Junotown, Victoria. It does have their website at the bottom if it will focus on it for you. That is the information that you need. It comes in this little container. I guess we can... Yep, I can't open a container, so that's what it looks like. It's kind of damp, it's a little bit wet, but it smells very pepperminty. Okay, so, oh, what's this? There's another unannounced box. Let's have a look at this one. Last thing left in this, and it is charcoal floss. Okay, so we can put this to the side. There's another box in here. Okay. Okay. So we'll get this open. Okay, we've got this Kintra Foods Calm and Relax Organic Premium Leaf Tea. It is a calm and soothe busy mind with this aromatic herbal blend. Teapot and strainer. Place 2 generous teaspoons of tea. Add boiling water. Infuse to 2 to 5 minutes. Can be enjoyed hot or cold. It has, I'm not sure if it's going to come up very clear because this is glass. This has got chamomile flower, fennel seeds, sweet rose petals, licorice root, passion flower, spearmint, linden flower, ginger root, marshmallow root, St. John's wort, hibiscus, lavender flower, blue cornflower petals. Okay. Sugar-free, caffeine-free, gluten and lactose-free, and preservative-free. Okay, so that is tea, and this is made in glass. This is a tea strainer. In copper. This here is a Be Better Balm's Calm Balm. It is herbal balm for general relaxation. It has sweet almond oil infused with lavender, shea butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, mica infused oil, candelia wax, vitamin E, essential oils, lavender, neroli in jojoba oil, and clary sage. Again, this is another Australian company that is vegan and not tested on animals. And this is a organic peppermint eye pillow made in Tasmania. There we go. See reverse for directions. What does the direction say? Let's have a look. This is not helping. No, it is. Oh, okay, these are the directions for use. Place in center of microwave, heat pack flat for 20 seconds. Shake out if required for a further 10 seconds. Completely cool before when reheating. When not in use, after cooling, stir in an airtight container or sealed bag. Clean lightly with a damp sponge. Do not machine wash or immerse in water. If you notice that burned or charred smell from your wheat bag, or that is deteriorating or scorched, allow to cool on a non-combustible surface and discard. Regularly check for signs of wear and tear. Replace your iPillow after prolonged usage. So, caution. There are all the cautions there that you can check out. Okay, so that is, there we go, that is the pattern that is on here. And, the last thing that's in here is, this is Rocky Pink Salt Pumpy Jackson, which is hemp and coconut milk chocolate. Oh, it's chocolate, there we go. There we go, this is what it looks like. And it is paleo and vegan, gluten-free and prebiotic. Has 1.8 total sugars. Source of protein, fiber, no added, bunch of stuff. Proudly made with love in Melbourne. And that is more ingredients here. Okay. That is the nutritional information. And that is the other information, and that's just like the thank you information and their website. Okay, so this I guess it completes the unboxing of Earth's tribe and all of the kind of slightly beauty-ish tooth, kind of, I guess they're all kind of beauty-ish type of products that that is not closing. That's okay, I'm sure I will figure it out after I end this video. Calm Balm, Facial Balm and Lip Balm, all from Be Better Balm. I will link Earth's Tribe down below for you guys to have a look at if you want to check them out. And of course all of these things will be mentioned in the description down below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please enjoy your morning, afternoon or evening, depending of course where you are in the day, and I will catch up with you all in the next video. Bye everyone.